Hello guys, welcome back. Today in this video we are going to learn how we can make binary search in Go language. We know that there are two searching algorithms, linear search and binary search. Linear search I have made the earlier video. On that I have explained that one by one we have to search all the items in a linear search. If the item found, then we send the position, otherwise we say element not found. Similarly, in binary search, we also having a element in array, but all the elements are in sorted order. Remember that in binary search, we have all the element in array in sorted order. So we find out the min or max from the array, and accordingly we check the mid position of the array, that if the element is less than the mid position of the element, then we go toward the lower part of the array. If the element which we are searching is in upper part of the array, then we have to switch to the upper part. So similarly, this algorithm is run until we found the value or we don't find the value, and it is the fastest algorithm as compared to a linear search, but it required sorted array. So how we can perform binary search? So we are just taking here in Go language. So we have a package then we have a function main, and here I just create a item of array like this. I initialize some value, remember should be in sorted order. Like this, we have some element in sorted order, and then I just call a binary search function. Here I pass the items and I pass the position, the value which I want to find. I think I say 21. So that function I want to create binary search. Be binary, spelling mistake. Okay, now I pass here the items and I pass here the value which I want to search, like this. Now I calculate the min. Min is in 0. I calculate the max. Max is length of items available, like this, and I have the mid position also. I say 0, and I say for the min is greater than max. Sorry, min is less than max. If the min is less than max, then we have to continue the loop. And what I have to do, I have to calculate the mid. Mid would be the min plus max slash 2, like this. Now I have to check if the value which I am searching is equal to in a mid position of the array, then we say break. Else if the value is greater than the items in the mid position. Remember that if the items which I am finding is greater than the position of the mid, that means we have to increase the value of min. So min would be the mid plus 1, else max would be mid minus 1, like this. and at the last of the for loop I check if the min is greater than equal to the length of the items. That means fmt.println that item not found, else fmt.println item found at, and we say mid plus 1. So we found at the mid plus 1. So like this we just created an array and we created the binary search algorithm. Now we have to check it is running or not. So I say go run binary search. fmt is undefined, so I'm using the fmt library. Save it. So run it. You see element is found at 5 positions, so we have to check 21 1 2 3 4 5. 21 is found at 5 position. 14 is coming on second position, it is okay. And if I say 23 is coming on 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 23 is coming on 6 position, it's okay. Then I found the 29. Save it, and you see 29 is found at 9 position, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Once again I say 15. I say 30 is not available, so it will say item not found. You see item not found, so it is working perfectly without any problem. So like this way we can perform binary search in Go language. If you really learn anything from this video, kindly do subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching this video also.